Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class, I am going to teach you first order partial differential equation special form, standard form 3, which is also known as a separable differential equation. In this case, the partial differential equation will take the form f1 of xp is equal to f2 of yq. That means the terms containing x and p will bring one side and terms containing yq will bring other side. If the equation can be expressed as this form, then we can say it is standard form 3. In order to solve this equation, the original Charpit equation will take this form. The original Charpit equation is here dx by del a by del p is equal to dy by del a by del q is equal to dz by p del a by del p plus q del a by del q is equal to dp by minus of del a by del x plus p del a by del z is equal to dq by minus of del a by del y plus q del a by del z. This equation will take this form, that is equation 2 we will get. Okay, from equation 2 we get dx by del f by del p is equal to dp by minus del f by del x, and this implies del f by del x dx plus del f by del p dp is equal to 0. And this gives us derivative of the function. This is f1, this is f1. f1 of xp is equal to 0. Now integrating we get, so we get from equation to this much, dx by del f1 by del p is equal to dp by minus del f1 del x. That implies del f1 by del x dx is equal to del f1 by del p dp is equal to 0. So derivative of f of xp is equal to 0. This is f1. So integrating we get f1 of xp is equal to a, where a is a constant of integration. Is a constant. So let us take it equation 3. Then we have f2 of yq is equal to a. This is equation 4. From equation 3 we get p is equal to a function of xa, because we are getting an expression, p is an expression containing a and x, that we are taking a function g1 of xa, and from equation 4 we get q is equal to g2 of ya. So we are getting the values of p and q now, and we know dz is equal to p dx plus q dy. dz is equal to p dx plus q dy, which is equal to g1 of a x dx, and this is g2 of a y dy. Now integrating, we get z is equal to integration g1 of x dx, integration g2 of a y dy plus c, which gives the required solution, which is the required solution. Now let us proceed to solve a problem by which this method will be more clear to you. So we have to solve this problem. Find the complete integral of x square p square is equal to y q square. So let x square p square is equal to u square is equal to a square. So then x square p square is equal to a square, y q square is equal to a square, where a square is a constant. Then we get p square is equal to a square by x square, q square is equal to a square by y. This gives us p is equal to a by x, q is equal to a by root y, a y to the power minus half. And we are getting the value of p and q now. Then dz is equal to, we know p dx plus q dy. So now let us put the value. This is a by x dx plus a by root y plus a y to the power minus half dy. Integrating, we get z is equal to a dx by x integration a y to the power minus half dy. So this is a ln x, this is y to the power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1 plus c, where c is the constant of our integration. This is equals to a ln x, this is a y to the power half by half c, and this is a ln x plus 2a root y plus c answer. So now the question is solved applying separable equation. I mean the method for special types of a first order linear equation, standard for 3. Our next problem is find Ci of q is equal to 2y p square. Solution. We have q is equal to 2y p square. This implies q by 2y is equal to p square is equal to a, say this is a constant. This implies p square is equal to a, q by 2y is equal to a. So this gives us p is equal to root 2a, q is equal to 2ay, and we know dz is equal to p dx plus q dy. So now this is equal to root a dx, q is 2ay dy. Now we are substituting the value of a p, root a, q is equal to 2ay dy. Integrating, we get z is equal to root a x, this is 2a, y square by 2 plus c. This implies z is equal to root x a y square plus c. So the second problem is solved. My today class is completed. In my next class, I will meet you with a new topic. Till then, goodbye.